We made it!
Yeah.
Woo! Good morning! We are at the Transportation and Ticket Center. We have an awesome video planned today. It is Nick's birthday. Yay! So we are gonna do all the birthday things today at the Magic Kingdom, and we'll make sure you come along with us. If you're excited for this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up right now. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the future content. We're super excited about this video and hope you are too. So since we have a birthday today, we wanted to show you all of the fun things that you can do on your birthday at the Magic Kingdom. So that's what we're gonna do. So definitely make sure that one of the first things you do on your birthday at Disney is get a button that says whatever your birthday year is. A lot of the times you'll get special little perks and treats throughout the park.
Alright. Happy birthday. Anything planned for today?
We're here. We're here.
Alright. Fun birthday at Disney. Love it.
That's right.
Love it, love it. Alright.
Thank you so much.
Yay, thank you. Alright, show us your button. Yay, are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, you got your button.
They're gonna tell me.
Now it's time to get all the fancy stuff. Just walking down Main Street. It's pretty crowded. The summer crowds are definitely here. Lots of people. This is our first time not having to wear a mask outside. We haven't been here since December. I'll let you see the crowds. Lots of people taking pictures. That's just the line for the photo pass. Lots of people walking in. We're still excited. We're gonna have a great birthday day. Yeah. We're gonna go see the castle. That's definitely our first on the list. Then Nick said he wants birthday Starbucks. So we're gonna get birthday Starbucks. So while in line to get Starbucks, we saw a carriage coming. Not sure who it is yet. I think a wedding happened. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Congratulations. Another day, another Disney Starbies. So you have your Starbucks, you have your button. Where do you want to go first?
Pirates.
All right, let's go to Pirates. So, hey Nick, you excited?
Yes.
We just got off Pirates of the Caribbean. It was only about a 30-minute wait. We're gonna get a snack because I'm hungry. What are you eating? Breakfast sandwich. Bacon, egg, and cheese, and I think it's like a whole grain croissant.
Good? Okay.
Yummy.
We're sitting here by Splash Mountain, which is what we're gonna try to go on next.
Splash Mountain.
Num 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 num.
What you think?
Good.
We had our snack, and what did you decide to do next, birthday boy?
Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain. We're here. We're ready. We just got off Splash Mountain. The posted wait time was about 65 minutes and the line is very deceiving. It looks really long, but we only waited about 35 minutes total. After Splash Mountain, the birthday boy has requested to do Haunted Mansion. Yay! New PhotoPass QR code. So make sure you check out the queue for the Haunted Mansion. There are QR codes placed in them. So this is what was posted with that QR code. It's an informational QR code. that lets you know all the information about the ride. At the top is the wait time. And then height requirements, ages, and all sorts of stuff. That's really cool. What a ride. I wish it was easier to film inside of the Haunted Mansion ride, but it's just so dark that videos don't come out very well. But we are headed to Fantasyland now. While we were in line for Peter Pan, which was Nick's next choice on his birthday adventure, we noticed that Small World got a facelift since the last time we were here. It looks really cute now. Super cute, super bright, so cute.
How many people have told you happy birthday?
None, it's not my birthday.
We get to eat there
We do.
on Thursday.
We're gonna eat at Cinderella's Royal Table this week. We just got to see Mickey and Donald and Daisy and Pluto and Minnie Mouse. Who else was there? Was that it?
Yes.
I think that was it. No Goofy. Right, no Goof. But now, why? Oh, okay. That's better. Now I think we're gonna go get some lunch at the Crystal Palace. Right?
Yep.
We've never done lunch at the Crystal Palace. And especially haven't done it since the new COVID shenanigans and all that. So we're excited to see what that looks like and what it tastes like, and we'll let you know. Our food is here. This is the prime rib with potatoes and asparagus. I got the crispy fried chicken with mac and cheese and green beans. Is it good? Does it cook well?
Well, medium rare.
Nick also got what looks like a little birthday cupcake. It has a carrot on top. So cute.
I would think with raspberry.
So, as we were finishing our lunch here at Crystal Palace, Nick was also given a birthday cupcake. It's really cute. It had a little carrot on top, cream cheese icing, I think. Basic cupcake. So, make sure when you get your birthday button that you wear it all the time so that you can get all the special treats. Hubgrass. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Who just wished you a happy birthday?
Rabbit and Pooh.
Rabbit and Pooh?
Yeah, they went.
Oh my gosh.
Went in my butt.
That's so cool. Not many people get happy birthday wishes from Pooh Bear.
Right. Tigger ignored me though.
Oh, what a rude Tigger. Okay. How many of you take a nap in Carousel of Progress? Or who actually watches it? I need to know down in the comments. Go, go, go. Where do you want to go?
Let's go to Fantasyland.
Fantasyland.
Maybe look at Seven Dwarfs.
Yeah, Seven Dwarves. We need to do Ariel. We still haven't done It's a Small World. Everybody's got to do that one. There's so many options. So what'd you decide to do next?
Go to Seven Dwarfs.
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. That's a fun one.
Yeah.
We like this one. It's about a
50 minutes wait.
Yep, 50 minutes. we'll see. They're pretty packed in there like sardines, so.
Typically with the old social distancing, you could get pretty quickly onto the ride, but if it's packed, it might be more.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's hard to gauge right now.
Yeah. Well, we got stuck in line because it's raining for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. They stopped running the cars, and we are just sitting here. Just sitting. Well, we finally escaped Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Right, finally. We probably waited because of the rain an additional, what, 20, 25 minutes?
I was gonna say about 30.
Maybe 30 minutes, yeah. It was, oh, there's the thunder. Yeah, it's definitely a rainy afternoon. It's a rainy afternoon here at the Magic Kingdom. So, we're gonna try to do some inside stuff, maybe some aerial. What else do we want to do? It's a small world. Maybe find some food. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. All right. Who's your favorite princess?
Ariel.
Oh, it's so far away. Ariel? Yeah, that's why we're here. What are we doing? We've never done this before. Whoa! I bet that's where you normally meet Ariel. We've never done that. Oh, it's that time. On a scale of 1 to I can't even, how much do you love that ride? We made it to Gaston's Tavern. Yay! We're gonna get a LeFou's brew and a big ol' cinnamon roll. We are? Yes. Can get the LeFou's brew in a souvenir cup. That's kind of what it looks like. I'm just gonna get mine regular. Here's a look at the rest of the menu. Just your typical drinks. They do serve hot tea and Joffrey's coffee. They have the good stuffed cupcake and the warm cinnamon roll. Yum. Nick got himself a cinnamon roll. How was it? Was it good? Yeah. No. It's the biggest cinnamon roll I've ever seen in my life. And a LeFou's brew. Yum. Alright. The cinnamon roll was yummy. We devoured it. Nick has requested that we go to Big Thunder Mountain. So we're gonna go that way. The crowds have dissipated a little bit today, I think, due to the rain. It's actually been pretty good with crowds. So this morning was rough, but everybody was on Main Street taking pictures. That's where all the crowds came from. Now it's just pretty chill. So we're enjoying the early night at Magic Kingdom. And we're gonna go to Big Thunder Mountain, yay! So Nick lied. We're getting on Small World instead. What are your thoughts on Small World? Do you ride it? Do you not ride it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Let me know in the comments down below. We just got off It's a Small World, and now we're gonna use the prettiest bathrooms in the world. Yay! So it looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. So I think we are headed towards the front of the park, We haven't checked into our hotel yet anyway, so we might as well. Ooh!
And we're moving.
We're moving and grooving towards the front. So, we will see y'all at the hotel. So, Nicholas, how was your birthday today? What's your step?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we made it to the car. It was
Soaking
raining.
wet.
Yeah, soaking wet. My feet are disgusting. Did you have a good birthday?
Yes,
You did?
I did.
What were some of your favorite things you did today?
Crystal Palace was a favorite. There's always a good meal in there. And then Pirates, but seeing the castle ready for the 50th.
Yeah,
was my favorite.
that was cool.
Yeah, I cried a little.
Shed a little tear.
Yeah.
I think for birthdays, obviously you have to get a button. We had a lot of cast members say happy birthday.
Yeah.
Some characters said happy birthday, that was cool. Because he was wearing his button, he got a free dessert at lunch.
Yep.
And I think that probably happens lots of places.
Yeah, and also like, not COVID, but they used to give cards too. So you'd get
A happy birthday card with autographs on it.
Yeah, and Crystal Palace, I got like, me and your mom got Pooh with the whole gang
That was cool.
from Hundred Acre Woods cards. So. And then I've got Mickey and Chip and Dale and them before. So.
Yeah.
Wear
And
your
then-
button all week.
Yes, wear your
For
button
however
up.
long
The
you're
whole
here.
trip you're here.
Every part.
If it hadn't been raining, we would have done a photo pass for his birthday to get his button in the picture and things like that.
We'll have another day here.
We do have another day here, so we're gonna do that again. Just take advantage of all the things that you can do with your birthday. Just milk it for what it's worth, because they will play into it. All the cast members really like to say happy birthday, and the characters will interact with you as much as they can.
Even
right
guests
now.
will tell you happy birthday. I try to do that
Yep.
when I don't have a button. I just tell somebody happy birthday.
Yeah.
It makes you feel good.
You can also get birthday pins. They sell those wherever they sell pins. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some ideas for when you do your birthday at Disney. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up. Make sure to comment your favorite thing down below and subscribe down below. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.
Bye.